Hi, I'm Chelly Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a pair of summer shorts to fit the little 7-inch Lottie dolls and dolls of a similar size. But before we begin, please go to my website, chellywood.com, to download and print this free PDF sewing pattern. There's a helpful link to the pattern in the description area below this video on YouTube. Use the pattern to cut out these two shorts pieces. Lay one fabric piece over the top of the other, keeping your right sides together. Sew one of the crotches. I'm using a contrasting color of thread, but I would recommend using a matching color. I'm just doing this for your benefit. Once you finish sewing the crotch, clip it. I'm using Fiskars Precision Detail Scissors. And if you would like a pair of Fiskars mini scissors like this, they're so handy for this very task. I've got a link in the description. Open your doll's shorts up like this and create a casing by folding the fabric once and then a second time with a little deeper fold, and your pattern is marked for these folds. Make your casing wide enough for elastic to fit. I'm using a whip stitch to sew along the very edge. If you need help with a whip stitch, I have a tutorial for the whip stitch. Just look in the description below this video on YouTube. When your casing is done, and note for this next step, it is showing a different doll, but the instructions are the same for your 7-inch dolls. Measure your doll's waist for elastic and cut it with a slight overlap. I recommend using elastic by the yard, the 1/8 inch wide. Attach a tiny safety pin to one end of your very short elastic. Send the safety pin through the casing. Hold the elastic in place with straight pins on each side of the casing. When you do this, when you put the straight pins through, you want to make sure that you go all the way through the elastic as well as the fabric. Now I'm using a little safety pin to get my elastic in there, and then I take a straight pin, and again, you got to make sure it goes all the way through. See how I tugged on the elastic to make sure that the straight pin went all the way through? Same on the other side. And then you can remove your safety pin. And you want to keep those straight pins in there for a minute. Now, your shorts should look something like this. Fold them in half, bringing the pins together, and again, right sides together. Stitch all the way through the ends of the elastic and continue stitching down the second crotch. Take one of the shorts legs at the bottom of it and fold it once along the bottom of the leg, and then a second time to create your hem. And we're just doing one shorts leg. Whip stitch along the edge of this hem fold, and now your shorts should look like this so far. We still need to hem the other leg. Fold the unhemmed leg once and then a second time to create yet another hem. Now as I do this, I try to compare the two pant legs to make sure that, well, shorts legs, to make sure that my hems are gonna be the same, you know, like a matching length. Okay, and just kind of compare. Whip stitch across this leg's hem. Bring the inseams together, or the crotches together, and that's what I'm doing right here. So you just want to bring the unsewn part of the shorts together And then you sew from the bottom of one hemmed shorts leg across the crotch to the other hemmed shorts leg. Again, I used a backstitch for this. There's a link to my backstitch tutorial in the description. When you're done stitching, clip the center points and invert your shorts, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so here are my shorts. I'm just going to clip around the crotch area. When you clip, you want to be careful that you don't cross your stitches. And now you're ready to try the shorts on a little doll. For more free printable PDF sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website, chellywood.com. And I do have lots more patterns for Lottie if that's who you're sewing for.
What if there was an easy way to take a big doll pattern and resize it to fit a little doll, or vice versa? I'm Chelly Wood, the doll clothing designer, and in my pattern alteration class, I'm going to share with you my resizing formula.
Pattern alteration is when you take a pattern that you already own and you make changes to it. Let's say a dress doesn't fit your doll quite right. I'll show you how to create a gusset to extend the dress's bodice. Along the same lines, I'll show you how to use a doll's body measurements to lengthen and shorten shirt sleeves, and to recreate the pants patterns you already own so they will fit dolls of different shapes and sizes. Following my instructions, you'll learn how to reshape dresses and skirts, making them fuller or less full depending on the look you're going for. With this collection of more than 40 videos, you'll use my measurement guide and dozens of tips and tricks to create a full wardrobe for the doll or dolls of your choice.
I invite you to join me. We are going to have so much fun.